Oh, I'm vibing. I'm definitely vibing. Trying to think about this food I'm gonna make later though. It's about a hit. I know that's right. H don't play that shit, boy. Hell yeah. Ooh, that powder stuck to the thing. That was nice. Yeah, my cans are sold out. I only have liquids left, and this soap and this soap, fabric softener, liquid, and less oil left. What am I gonna eat? What am I gonna make to eat? I'm going to make which is like rice with noodles, and then some ribs, some short ribs with. Of course you can come over for dinner. I got food for all of y'all. All 717 of y'all. Pull up. Pull up, pull up, pull up. Yes. She could play with my daughter, of course. I would never say no to anybody when it comes to food. I don't care if we have... Oh! Y'all didn't see that, did you? I don't care if we are not friends for like years. If you need something to eat, I would never say no. Especially when it comes to kids. I have no pride when it comes to shit like that. Like, I really don't. Now, I will say, because I've had it happen to me before, if you take advantage of me and I notice, because it continues to be a trend, then I will be like, hey, like, what's up, you know? But other than that, definitely can count on me to feed you and your kids. Hey. Yep. Oh, I want to hand mix this so bad. Me too. Far from usual. It's like, I've had it done to me a couple times. Like, I've given money and it's like, yo, for real though? Are you asking me now for you, or are you asking me still for your kid? So, I'm gonna hand mix because it's a lot of powder. And we don't have no more liquid going in. Hey, Sleepy. I didn't know you were still in here. How are you doing? I feel you. I feel you, Tink. And then I'm gonna put in epoxy. I'm good. More liquid, or are we done with liquids? Hola. Why? How come my eyes are not burning? Because there's no bleach for it to be burning. I do reuse it and I give it away to my family. It does not go to waste, and I always post it that it does not go to waste. Those who've been here, they know. Like, they know. I don't let nobody's money go to waste like that. What is this for? Mainly first for ASMR purposes, and then to clean, because we're not gonna waste it. Of me, I wouldn't be able to live. Like, I can't. So, I don't sell. Hell no, I don't sell. Like, what? I literally made a group chat with my cousins. I'm like, who needs laundry? Amen. Thank you. All right, I'm gonna add in the last 4 cans and then we'll start saving. I did not go live while I cooked yesterday because it was already super late. It's okay. It's not, the questions are not bothering me. We made tacos. We made tacos. I do want to add a little bit more liquid because if I save this, it's gonna harden up really fast, and then it'll be harder to use. Oh, my stomach is growling. Hey. I believe I only have what is it that I have left? Fuck, I forgot. Does anybody remember? Yeah. Oh yeah, lust oil, which is 10. I have fabric softener, which is 4. I think I have 1 of the big Ajax for 6, and then everything else is 2. No, the panelin is done with. It is very delicious. This consistency is great. What am I doing? Well, I'm standing at my sink, squeezing some sponges, talking to you guys. What are you doing? Oh, I'm actually not gonna do a fake rinse. I'm gonna leave that for next live because I gotta get off soon. I apologize, Yessie. I'm gonna start off my next live with the rinse because your girl gotta go work. I love recycled powder. I love recycled powder. When am I getting back on Monday or Tuesday? Because I have to get more powder. You sent for the Ajax. Thank you so much. $6 Ajax dish soap. Hey, I'm good. How are you? Yeah, I usually go live Mondays or Tuesdays. Wait, which Ajax did she send? Is it for the $6 what's it called? Dish soap?